Good day everyone, my name is Ruslan and guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I hope you're good, I hope everything is fine. And today is part 2 of our absolute, you would say, beginner series. So check this out, look at how beautiful this table is. This is the completely non-parametric, a very simple table inside Revit. We made it in our last video, make sure to check this out. So today we are going to be making a parametric table, right? A parametric table is the ones that in which our parameters are set. Our parameters are set and those parameters are within our control. So we are in the reference plane. Let's quickly get started with this. There's work in this. All right, so first of all, let's go to the extrusions. Let's go right here and let's try to make a circle. And let's press let's press UN. First of all, let's change this to millimeters. And let's press OK2 and OK, and after that let's press MD. Let's click on the circle, let's change this into a dimension. Let's click on that, and right here, so this is gonna be the excuse me, this is gonna be the table table radius. Let's press OK, and let's press OK. All right, so our first, you could say, our element is made. All right, after that let's go to extrusion again, and let's make you could say sort of a base, for the base, or for the base, I don't know why I am, let's try to make it a rectangle, not a rectangle, a triangle, okay, something like that. Does it look okay? And fine, let's press OK. So let's press OK. So this is our bottom, you could say, our landing plate, right? This is a landing plate, and now we need the leg of the table. So let's go to extrusion again, and the leg of the table, okay, let's make it a circle. That's fine. So let's try to make it a circle, and let's go to modify. Let's click on this circle, let's click on that, let's change it into a dimension, and now let's click on this dimension. Let's go to right here, and this is going to be the leg, radius. All right, or you can even just name it leg thickness, that's fine. After that, let's go here and let's press OK, and the 3 elements are made already. All right, so nothing very hard to understand. So this is our our previous one, which is completely unparametric. All right, let's close this. That's fine. That's the previous video. Make sure to check this out. Check that video out. And for this case now, so 3 elements are made. All right, let's go to the 3D view, and okay, this is what we have. You're going to fix that in a moment. And after that, let's go to our main, you could say, our circle, our main table, and let's go to edit extrusion. And I don't know why, but I want to add for example, let's try to add one right here, and for example, so something like that, and something like that. All right, and now what, let's try to cut this. So for example, cut, and cut right here, and cut right here, and cut, and that is cut already. And let's go to now trim and extend. So this is going to be 1 and 2, and 1 and 2, and 1 and 2. Okay, that is not that. Trim and extend, delete. After that, go to trim and extend again, and 1 and 2. For example, okay, now this point and this point and this point, and so I just came up with this shape right now. I don't even know what I'm doing. And for example, this one right here, so let's try to delete this, and let's bring this, and let's try to find, let's just do it this way. All right, so what's wrong with that? So let's complete this. Okay, it's already completed. And so we have left a space in between. Now we're going to fill this space with glass, right? So let's go to create, let's go to extrusion, let's go to pick up lines, and let's come right here, let's press tab. Okay, we have picked up that line, and let's go to the materials. So let's go to let's change it to glass from here, right? It's easier, right? And let's try to go down to okay, blue excuse me, blue, which is the blue. Fine, and let's press OK. And all right, so this is the things we have. Now there's a lot of work in our front view. This is our front view. So the first thing is the table thickness. For example, let's make a reference plane, and another reference plane by RP. So this is the main table, right? Let's try to grab this above. Fine, and let's lock it. Perfect. After that, let's grab it to the bottom plane, and let's lock it. Perfect. After that, let's try to grab this right here. This is what is this? Let's go to 3D view. And okay, so this is our main glass, right? Let's go to the front, and let's try to lock the glass with the table above. So bring it there, lock, and now bring it to the bottom and lock. And for example, if you go to the front view, so that is locked, right? Now if we change the table, it's going to change, right? So remove constraints. Constraints are not satisfied because we have locked this axis to this parameter. I mean, we have locked this table to that, right? That's what's giving us this error. But now we're going to be controlling both of these reference planes, so then it's not going to give us an error. For example, let's make a dimension right here. Let's press MD. Let's click on this dimension, and let's get to there. And this is going to be the table top, THICKNESS. Let's press OK. And let's come right here, and the table top thickness, for example, if we change this to 60, if we apply, so check this out. So now it's not going to give us an error. There was a constraint, that's why there was an error, right? So our workflow is correct. Let's go back. So now this is the leg, right? Let's lock this leg with the bottom table. Okay, lock, and let's lock it with the you could say the base plate. And this is the base plate. So for example, let's try to pull it down. That above leg is going to pull it down, so that's successful. After that, let's try to just drag it a bit above and put it down, and let's lock that to the bottom axis. All right, so nothing very hard to understand. And let's set this value to what, to 5 mm. Fine, that's how it is. And this is the leg, right? So we have already made a parameter for this, which is the leg radius right here. That is 50 is too much. For example, if you press 20, and here you go, guys. So after that, the table height is just another parameter that we need. For example, let's try to tab right here. Okay, so tab, and let's extend this. And right here. Okay, so di from this point to this point, and if we press MD and we click on this, and we click on this and we come right here, this is going to be the table top HEIGHT tabletop height. Okay, so that parameter is also set. Now for example, tabletop height, if we change this to 100 mm, and it's going to come down, right? So perfect. And the tabletop thickness, 20 is so much, no, 60 is so much, 20 is even a lot. For example, 10. All right, perfect. And remember the glass, we locked it inside, so it is moving according to the table. And that is the base plate. So now, let's even quickly change the materials for this. For example, for the leg, I think BLUE, this aluminum sort of a blue that I've seen. Yes, this one looks very nice, shiny blue. And for the base plate, let's go to something, I don't know what. For example, how about the GANY, the mahogany. All right, this reddish sort of a wood, the mahogany. And okay, rendering appearance, let's press OK. And right here, this is the actual tabletop. Let's go for mahogany again, and let's go to a 3D view to look at what we have done. Let's go to graphic display, let's go to realistic, let's go to smooth, and shadows, can we activate that? No. Okay, let's activate sketch lines. Let's go to photo. Okay, and check this out, guys. So this is what we have made, and look at how nice it looks. And that is the center design, which I don't know, is so random, but I think it doesn't look that bad, right? For example, if you want to decrease the thickness of the table, so this is the leg radius. If you change this to 10, and it got decreased, so now it looks better, right? Something in the middle. So this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you learned something from this. This is our completely, you could say, absolute basic parametric table inside Revit, and we can even edit these designs as much as we want. Let's go to create right here. Let's use a void sweep. All right, so this is going to be something new, and let's go to pick path, and let's go to hidden lines right here, and let's try to so okay, let's pick that path, and let's pick that path. Let's press OK, and let's go to sweep. Let's go to edit profile, and this is the profile, so let's go to the right. Okay, this is the profile. After that, let's go to line right here, and I don't know, it can be anything, right? So what should we do with this? So the profile, let's go to delete, let's go to line right here, let's bring this right here, and let's bring this right here, and okay, and let's go to line. Fine, let's go to OK, and let's go to OK, okay. All right, and look at this. Look at how beautiful we have made our table. All right, so you can play with the design as much as you want. I just showed you how to beautifully sweep void the corner of our table. And let's go to reference. Let's add something more before we end the video. So you guys can end the video at this point. All right, I hope you guys, you enjoyed this video and you learned so many different new things from this. So let's try to make it a bit more interesting. Let's place this right here. Let's go to tab right here, and let's go to mirror right here. Let's mirror it on the other side. Fine. And let's press tab right here, and let's press tab right here, and let's try to again mirror it on the other side, and let's press OK. Fine. After that, let's click the glass in between, which is the glass. All right, and let's go to use rendered appearance and blue. Fine. And can we go to the appearance right here to change this color to blue? Okay, fine. Let's go to OK. So this is the glass. Let's go to edit extrusion, and this shape is already made. And let's go to tab select, and tab select, and excuse me, tab and select, and press OK. Alright, and here you go, guys, a beautiful parametric, you could say completely parametric table inside of it. Alright, so that would be it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you learned something from this. Right, so I've done so many different things. I hope you, we have explored a lot of commands. Right, so bye bye, take care of yourself.